AGARO Regency Air Fryer. Introducing the AGARO Regency Air Fryer, a 12-liter family rotisserie oven with a powerful 1800W motor. AGARO Regency Air Fryer, revolutionizing your cooking experience. In the fast-paced world of modern cooking, efficiency and versatility are paramount. With the AGARO Regency Air Fryer, your culinary endeavors are about to take a quantum leap. This sleek, silver marvel isn't just an air fryer, it's a 12-liter family rotisserie oven, a toaster oven, and a digital touchscreen wonder, all rolled into one. With its 1800W power, it promises to transform your kitchen into a hub of gastronomic delight. Join me as we delve deeper into the realms of culinary innovation and explore what makes the AGARO Regency Air Fryer a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Design and build quality. First impressions matter, and the AGARO Regency Air Fryer doesn't disappoint. Its elegant silver finish exudes a sense of sophistication, while the sturdy construction ensures durability that withstands the rigors of daily use. The compact design belies its spacious interior, making it ideal for both small and large kitchens alike. The LED digital touchscreen adds a modern touch, providing intuitive control at your fingertips. Versatility. Versatility is where the AGARO Regency Air Fryer truly shines. With 9 preset menus for baking, roasting, toasting, and more, it caters to a wide range of culinary needs. Whether you're craving crispy fries, succulent roast chicken, or decadent pastries, this appliance has you covered. The inclusion of accessories such as the rotisserie spit, baking pan, and fryer basket further expands your culinary horizons, allowing you to unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Efficiency. Efficiency is the name of the game, and the AGARO Regency Air Fryer delivers in spades. Powered by 1800W of cooking prowess, it heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, ensuring consistent results every time. The tilting mechanism makes it easy to access your food, while the LED digital touchscreen simplifies operation with its user-friendly interface. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision cooking at its finest. Health benefits. In today's health-conscious world, finding ways to enjoy your favorite foods without compromising on flavor or nutrition is key. The AGARO Regency Air Fryer accomplishes just that by using rapid air technology to fry food with little to no oil. This not only reduces calorie intake, but also minimizes the harmful effects of excess oil consumption. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence without sacrificing taste or texture. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning up after cooking can be a chore, but not with the AGARO Regency Air Fryer. Its non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze, while the removable accessories are dishwasher safe for added convenience. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring the fruits of your culinary labor. Positive points. Versatile functionality with 9 preset menus. Sleek and sturdy design with a silver finish. Efficient cooking with 1800W power and rapid air technology. Healthier cooking with little to no oil required. Easy cleanup with non-stick interior and dishwasher-safe accessories. Negative points. The size may be too large for smaller kitchens. The LED touchscreen may require gentle handling to avoid damage. In conclusion, the AGARO Regency Air Fryer is a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances. Its versatility, efficiency, and health benefits make it a must-have for any home chef looking to elevate their culinary creations. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it's sure to become the centerpiece of your kitchen. Say goodbye to mundane meals and hello to culinary excellence with the AGARO Regency Air Fryer. Features a tilt LED digital touchscreen and 9 preset menus for various cooking needs. Temperature ranges from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius with a 1 to 90 minute timer and 360 degrees heat circulation technology. Designed with a special beveled LED screen, transparent cooking window, and interior lighting for easy monitoring. Promotes healthier cooking by reducing fat intake by up to 90%, ensuring meals are both tasty and nutritious. Comes equipped with multiple accessories including a rotating basket, rotisserie fork, skewer rack, and more. Perfect for baking, roasting, toasting, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Rated 4.4 stars. Order today for 8,899 Indian rupees.